again, there's a really easy way to break down multiplying by 8. We use doubling, which is one of our amazing power tools. I'm going to use the image of a clock again to help us visualize the different tools. Let me show you. Remember, the first step when learning any new set of tables is to always fill in the answers that we already know. So that includes the 3 sets that we've memorized. So that would be 1, 2, and 3. And then the 2 sets that we know because they follow a really nice, easy pattern. So that would be 10 and 11. So let's go and fill those in. 1 times 8 is 8, 2 times 8 is 16, 3 times 8, 24. Then 8 times 10 is 80, 8 times 11 is 88. Now using those 5 and our power tools, we're going to work out all the others. Let's use our doubling power tool first. The first doubling chain we're going to look at is 2 doubled to give us 4, doubled to give us 8. So we're going to take the answer to our 2 times 8, which is 16, double that to give us 4 times 8, which would be 32. Then we're going to double that answer again to give us 8 times 8. 32 doubled gives us 64. Then our next doubling chain is going to be 3 doubled to give us 6. So 8 times 3 is 24. If I double 24, it will give me 48, which is the answer to 6 times 8. Now we're going to use our halving power tool. So we're going to take the answer to 10 times 8 and we're going to halve it to give us the answer to 5 times 8. So 80 halved is 40. We're going to go back to 10 times 8, that answer, and we're going to subtract one group of 8 to give us the answer to 9 times 8. So 80 minus 8 gives us 72. And then similarly, we're going to go up to 11 times 8, which is 88, and we're going to add one more group of 8 to give us the answer to 12 times 8. So 88 plus 8 is 96. Now, we've got all our answers except one. Usually the 7 is left over, and that's where the quick trick comes into play. Any number multiplied by 8, we can break up into 3 steps. We can multiply it by 2, multiply it by 2, multiply it by 2. So in other words, we double it 3 times. So we could have used that trick for any one of these numbers on the clock, but remember, you always want the quickest route to get to your answer. So let's take 7 and double 7 3 times, and that'll give us 7 times 8. 7 doubled is 14, doubled again is 28, doubled again is 56. So that's the answer to 7 times 8. Right, there you have it. Your whole 8 times table using your power tools. It's amazing how much easier and quicker it is using power tools. What you're going to do now, you're going to get a whole set of times 8 to try yourself. As you can see, the whole set is jumbled up, so it's really good practice for you to use the power tools. You can look at the clock to help you visualize the tools if you need to. What you're going to do now is pause the video, complete the set, and then come back into the lesson to see if you got them correct. Let's see how you did with those. Can you see why doubling is so powerful? When multiplying any number by 8, all you need to remember to do is double the number 3 times. So simple. Once you've completed enough practice exercises to feel confident multiplying by 8, meet me in the Divide by 8 lesson. I'll see you there. This lesson comes from the Tables Training That Packs a Punch series. The full series with practice exercises and bonuses is available from aligerous.online. Click the link in the description below.